Hi. Let me adjust my... Okay, so today I'm playing Airplane, which is... I don't know, really just another horror-ish game. Let's just leave room. I never even entered. Okay, we're heading to this room. Good amount of people. I'm going in. No. Players and... Okay, so I guess the only one open right now is this one. So I guess that's the one we're doing. I don't know. Okay, a million people are stuck. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna open. What? Why is everybody crowded right here? I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna... Are there literally any servers that are open right now? Okay, so this one's open, finally. Got 3 people. Everyone wants to join that room, but it's broken. Yeah, I don't think I want to play with 2 other players. Why is everyone standing right there? Why? Okay, we're teleporting. We got 5 people. So, I guess we only got 4. So, D8. D8. Okay, here we go. Here's my seat. Now to sit here and just enjoy the ride. And this story is actually kind of long, so let's see. Okay, can I open these quite yet? No. It'd be awesome if I could open these already, so that I could search for. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we are flying at 30,000 feet above sea level, and we'll arrive at our destination soon. Look, the wings of the plane, everything looks fine. Everything looks fine so far. So I guess we just like... Okay, so I guess we can explore the plane. So I guess now, please find your seat as we about to cross an area of high turbulence. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay. Okay, here we go. No more turbulence. 4452. 45. Now give me the snacky right now. Wait, where are the crew members? Are they back here? Yeah, give me the snack right now. Give me the snack right now. Give me a free, actually, don't give me the snack, give me a free ride. Yeah. This is awesome. Sandwich. Nom, 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 nom. Eating. Okay, my sandwich. Now here's my number. Can I have another sandwich? Wait a second. Now we gotta search for his. Now we have got to search for his. Now open all of them. Open all of them. Come on. Wait, that's mine. There's one more, it must be in this row. There it is. Click on it. Click on it. I found it. Okay, thanks, Savage Girl. Hey, that was supposed to, like, we had 20 seconds left. Let's get into the restroom, right? Okay, I don't want to stay up here. Good afternoon to all passengers. Informally, it'd be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. No, we cannot enjoy the ride. Down. Okay. We'll have hours to go. And then we're gonna see this creepy thing on the wing any second now. Oh, jeez, what is that? It appears that we've lost it. Hang on, we'll try. Guys, look. Now, look. Giant toenails. He has a lot of giant toenails. That's all. Where's that? Nah. Snakes. Okay, great. Come on, we got it. Snakes. Oh man, I've taken some damage. Oh god, they're right below me. I can't jump that high. Hold down space and you should be fine. Ow. Stay on the seats, guys. There's an open restroom. Quickly, we will be safe. Okay, we're safe. We're all safe. Okay. What do we do? No, this is my toilet. I get to sit on the toilet. I don't really think I want to go into a lavatory. It sounds kind of hot. Lavatory. Yeah, we should. I think there's a weird thing on the plane that's trying to kill us. That's what's happening. There's a weird thing on the plane, and it's gonna try and kill us. That's what those snakes were all about. But, yeah. We can still open these. Everyone hide. But here's how I'm gonna survive this. No. Here's how I'm going to survive this. Yep, and just close it. You guys. Ah, no. I'm in here. Bye. Bye. No. I'm staying up here. Oh man, I'm locked in here. No. Open it. Keep it open. I need to hide in here. Oh gosh. Give me one. 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 R.I.P. Wait, hide in one of these. Get in. No. Rest in peace, both of you. Oh my god. Wow, I'm the only one left. This is quite annoying. I'm the only one left. I might as well just commit suicide. Oh no. Why is every time I do a YouTuber does videos on one of these, they're left by themselves? Oh my god, what is this? Yeah, give me some scissors. I found a pair of scissors. I'm gonna die, I bet you. And then, if I die, we're gonna have to stop this video, and then... last time I cut the red cable, I died. I'm probably gonna die again. So, yeah. Yay! Okay, so blue cable's right. Blue cable is right. Success. Yay! Okay, what do we have to do now? What do we have to do now? We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for and check if everything is okay. Okay, well, they're okay. They're just sleeping, I'm sure. No, they're not conscious. They're just sleeping. Everyone needs a little bit of rest. Get to the captain room. Do 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 do. Then we need a key. Wait, don't we need a key card? Yeah, I think we need a key card. So it's locked. Yeah, I bet there's something back here. If this oxygen or something is happening inside, the captain might be in trouble. I don't know. I found the code. Hurry up. Okay, here we go. So, this has just been a random awkward moment of doing stuff. So, I think it's almost the end. Yeah, it's the creature that, and then the captain is, I don't know. That is not possible. That is not possible. It is. And now, it's time to die. No, it's not. We're not gonna die, I'm sure of it. See you in the after. Okay, goodbye. Nope, I'm not doing this. I am not doing this. Bye. Bye. Got more stuff to do. The captain is unconscious. Call the police. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Call these people. Get the phone. We need to find the autopilot button. No, 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 no. We need to. Then we get the phone, I guess. Click everything and find that button before we die. Will we have time to spare? I don't know. Clicking every single button I say. Click all the buttons or I'll die. No, we might not be able to make it. And if we don't make it, I'll just tell you what happens. Come on, come on, come on. We're not gonna make it. Nope, it's too late for us. It's too late for us. Yep, RIP us. We're losing hope by the second. Man, it's gotta be somewhere around here. I'm just gonna have to tell you what happens. So, what happens is then what do we do? I forgot. Nope. Yep. Continue. Yeah. We're not giving up quite yet. We did it. We saved the plane. And that totally never happened. It has been a very crazy flight. Oh, yep. Nothing to see here. Okay, I guess now we call somebody. Or do we just... I don't know. Now all we need is find them. Found it! Found it. Hello? We need help. The captain is unconscious. Yeah. Is everyone okay? No! I'm the only one alive. No. No. And why are you using we? I'm the only one here. And then the crewmates are unconscious and the captain's unconscious. I'm the only one not unconscious. Aside the captain. Okay, I'll do it, because I'm the only one not unconscious. All the players died when they were supposed to grab gas mask. So I don't know. I'll just do it. Okay, so what happens now? Is the monster gonna kill? Okay, everyone. Okay, myself. I got this. Don't mind this. It says myself. Because I'm... Oh! Oh, great. Red. Are we gonna die now? Is he gonna kill us? Wait, what? What? Your energy does not let me kill. I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. What? I'm the chosen one. Please tell me I get a machine gun. Because I played this before. And this is not what happens. If there's other people, you'll get to choose if you crash this into the underworld or fly it or keep on flying it. I can't believe that was the only server. The chosen. Okay, so we did it. We did it. Yay. Okay. Bye. And